Hi! In this video we will take a quick look at how to customize the Windows layout in Android Studio. So, this is the default Windows layout that comes with the IDE, but you can arrange and move most of the windows anywhere you like on the screen. For instance, if I want to move the Favorites window, I just need to enable the floating mode. This can be enabled or disabled by clicking the icon that looks like a gear wheel and selecting floating mode from the menu. As soon as the floating mode is enabled, I can resize or drag the window anywhere on the screen. By disabling the floating mode, the window will be positioned back to its default location. You can do this with any window that contains the settings icon, the one that looks like a gear wheel. And if later decide to reset the default Windows layout, you can do this by going to the window menu and selecting Restore Default Layout from there. Same, if you decide that the new layout better suits your needs, you can store its settings like the Windows positions and sizes by using the Store Current Layout as Default option under the window menu.